friends, welcome! Today we are going to learn our ABCs together. Are you ready? Let's go! A is for apple. B is for banana. C is for car. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for frog. G is for grapes. H is for house. I is for ice cream. J is for jar. K is for kite. L is for lemon. M is for monkey. N is for nurse. O is for orange. P is for pizza. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. S is for star. T is for tree. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for whale. X is for xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Do you have fun learning your ABCs with me? Please subscribe to our channel for more fun lessons.